All right, what's going on? This is Chef Brother Love coming at you from Colorado Springs, Colorado. Today we're gonna be working with Kewpie mayonnaise, one of my favorite mayonnaise to work with. So I'm gonna show you today how to do a great bruschetta and keep it moist. That's the key. So the first thing that we wanna do is we wanna get an extremely hot pan. So I've got this nice Teflon pan, it's smoking, it's warm, there's nothing in it. I'm gonna start by sauteing the mushrooms. So I've got a nice blend of oyster mushrooms, a little bit of shiitake, some cremini mushrooms, all of those are in there. And I'm gonna add just a touch of oil to kind of get that going. Now you're gonna hear the sizzle, give it a quick 1-2, and we're gonna throw in some diced shallots. We're gonna throw in a little bit of chopped garlic, and we're gonna let all of that cook down and get some caramelization. And while we're doing that, we're gonna work on the base. In a mixing bowl, I'm gonna take our Monterey Jack cheese, very, very good melting cheese. Got some Parmesan cheese, we're gonna mix that in there as well. I've got some chopped chives. It's gonna give us a nice onion herbaceousness. And then I've got our Kewpie mayonnaise. What you're looking for is just enough to bring all of that cheese together to stick into one nice paste. Our mixture has come together great. You know, you can see it, it's sticking. That's what you're looking for. So I can see my mushrooms and my onions and my garlic are wilting down. I'm gonna hit that with a little bit of soy sauce. That's gonna add some great salinity in there. I'm also gonna give it just a touch of sesame. It's gonna give it some nuttiness. I'm gonna toss that all back together. Let that keep cooking down. Smells delicious. So I've got this beautiful baguette. I'm gonna cut these into nice crostinis. Got our crostinis ready to go. All we need now is to finish off the mixture. So I've got that cheese mixed with that Kewpie mayonnaise, nice and creamy. I'm gonna take those mushrooms that we sauteed, that onion, that garlic, all of that together with the soy. And we're just gonna work that into the cheese mixture to give us a really nice mushroom topping. Everything's come together. You're gonna take a heaping spoonful and just place it right on top of each one of these bruschettas. As these bake in this high heat oven, I've got a 375 Fahrenheit. As these bake, they're actually gonna caramelize, all that moisture is gonna melt, all that nice oil is gonna melt right into these platforms of these toast points. It's gonna take about 10 minutes to cook. So we're just gonna throw it in there, let them caramelize. All right, I can smell it. It smells delicious, and they look beautiful. But be careful, they're extremely hot. I just have no filling in my hands. I'm gonna arrange those nicely. And we're just gonna place a couple nice pieces of chive, just a little bit of Parmesan cheese. And there you have it. To all my party goers, thanks for joining me in my home, and enjoy. That's new mommy bomb.